Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market and give you an honest, in-depth review. Today, we're talking about the best Gourmia 6QT air fryer. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use, and powerful air fryer that can handle all your cooking needs, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Let's dive into what makes this model a top choice for so many users. First off, this air fryer isn't just a fryer, it's an entire multi-cooker. With a 6-quart capacity, it's large enough to handle family-sized meals, yet compact enough to fit comfortably on your countertop. It's ideal for making crispy French fries, juicy chicken wings, or even baking, broiling, roasting, and dehydrating. With 12 one-touch cooking presets, it's as simple as pressing a button to get the perfect result every time, whether you're air frying, baking, or even reheating leftovers. But what sets this Gourmia air fryer apart is its Fry-Force technology. This innovation ensures that your food is not only crisp and delicious but also healthier. It reduces up to 90% of the fat, so you can enjoy the flavors you love without the guilt. That's because the air fryer's fat removal technology works by circulating hot air around your food, ensuring it cooks quickly and evenly while removing excess fat during the process. You can have all the flavor of deep-fried food with far fewer calories and less grease. Another standout feature is its digital display. The sleek design makes it modern and easy to navigate, with touch controls that allow you to select from a variety of presets for everything from fries and fish to roast and bake. It even has an automatic shut-off function for safety, making it a worry-free experience. Cleanup is a breeze with the Gourmia 6QT air fryer. Its non-stick coating ensures that food doesn't stick to the basket, and all accessories are dishwasher safe, meaning you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time cleaning up. This air fryer also comes with a 1-year comprehensive international warranty, so you can feel confident about your purchase. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, the Gourmia 6QT air fryer is designed to deliver the best results with minimal effort. It's built with stainless steel accents, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen while offering durability and performance. So if you're in the market for a high-quality, versatile air fryer that can cook almost anything, the Gourmia 6QT air fryer is definitely worth considering. Whether you're making crispy fries, roasting vegetables, or baking a cake, it'll make your cooking experience faster, healthier, and easier. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. See you next time.